Looks like the European debt crisis has claimed another victim. Watchmaker Fossil reporting that sales missed forecasts in its most recent quarter, also warning that the rest of the year is not going to be as good as it had once hoped. The company specifically citing soft demand in Europe because of the macro conditions there. That big debt crisis obviously hurting the likes of France, Greece, Spain, etc. We saw all the elections over the weekend and the backlash against austerity and what have you. Fossil is a momentum stock, so if it misses only slightly, there will be a lot of pain, and that's happening on Tuesday. Shares losing nearly a quarter of their value in early trading. This is a stock that had run up nearly 60% before the big pullback today. I think a lot of short sellers got this one right. Fossil had been a stock that had been fairly heavily shorted. I actually spoke to a hedge fund manager that runs an ETF that shorts stocks last week for a story on Green Mountain Coffee. They were shorting Fossil as well, so that's a good call there. Really what it comes down to, a company like Fossil, like Green Mountain, you look at something that really isn't doing anything that unique. They make watches, they make other accessories like sunglasses. Do you really need to pay over 20 times earnings for a company that is doing something that's not exactly revolutionary? A lot of short sellers thought that wasn't the case, and they were worried about inventory. They were worried about the potential weakness in Europe. They obviously got this right. So the lesson here, anytime you get a stock that's just surging and you kind of scratch your head and say, Fossil up 60%, really? Really is right. The shorts nailed this one. Look out below if you are in Fossil today.